switch gear. Start. Today we're gonna install the new place stuff. Done. I set up the doors right now. Okay, it's done. Late night. Continue tomorrow. Today I installed the charger. That's for 80. Finally. Just connect the wires and it's done. Connected, everything done. Start another one. I'll be here. This is the second charger. Okay. Done this one too. Okay. Done. Done. Oh shit. Okay, this one's going to put it. Prepare for inspection. Inspection. Done. There's an inspection here too. Done. Close everything. That's it. I close everything. Done. Inspection pass. Good.